Everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to a new video. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to a new fashion video. And guys, आज के video में it's a very exciting fashion haul. One of the best collections honestly in my wardrobe. One of my best shopping spree. ये सारे outfits मैंने shop करे थे अपने specifically बाली vacation के लिए, tropical vacation के लिए, summers के लिए. This haul is full of colors, full of vibrancy. I have worn all of these pieces. ये tried and tested है on my Bali vacation and oh my god, they have stood out. And whether or not you have a vacation plan, in case you're even looking for beach essentials or just your go-to summer items, you will find everything in this closet. Of course, क्योंकि मैंने ये vacation की perspective से लिया था, I have kept a mix of swimwear, cover up, nice evening dresses, casual dresses and cord sets, all kinds of fits you will find. I don't want to wait any further because बहुत सारे items है to get through. मैंने खुद से भी कुछ shopping करी थी. And as usual with Urbanic, I have a coupon code जिससे honestly you save so much money. It will be on the screen. Make sure you guys use it on any of your Urbanic purchases. I don't even know where to begin, honestly. Okay, but let's start with this scarf tube top. So very simple, very quick. Firstly, it is stunning. Like मेरे को इसको describe करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है because of how beautiful this print is. And ये simply पीछे scarf की तरह ऐसे you can tie it up. So I would wear strapless tube top with this one. Material super duper comfy, super duper beautiful to touch, almost like a satin finish. And I absolutely love this one. मतलब it'll automatically make a statement no matter what. And I just think that ऐसा bandana scarf top for summers or for obviously like a proper vacation looks so good. Okay, next with that I actually paired up these tan shorts. Now denim shorts मेरे पे बहुत सारी थी, but honestly ऐसे trending pieces मतलब एक तो अबाने का I am honestly guys in love with their collection like these days. Not only genuinely has the collection improved, like they are on point with the trends, but the quality of every product has drastically improved. Like कुछ महीने पहले मुझे याद है कि 50% items I usually had to return, then it came down to 30%, and now I literally don't return products because all of them are so good. And these shorts also have fit me like a charm. I think they look so they're a bit tiny, so keep that in mind if you're not comfortable with something like that. And the color is so unique. ऐसा light brown color में मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. Like look how it looks, right? I don't even need to, I think at this point, explain about the clothes because it's literally just showing you, and I think that's it. For our next look, now crochet is definitely so much in for the upcoming season. तो ये वाला crochet top था, एक halter neck top है. So this is the neck के straps, and then this is how the sides tie up. You have the pearl detailing all over, so it looks super duper cute. Again, it's beautiful, it's in trend. I like कि black base के ऊपर there's like a burst of color in this one. So good material and so well priced. Along with the coupon code, again you will save on all of these products, so make sure you check them out. Link होगा description में. But yeah, this is a very cute, I think, crochet moment right here. Okay, and I have paired this up in the video with this particular skirt. इस skirt को मैंने throughout the trip different ways में भी style किया हुआ है. In fact मैंने इसके साथ swimsuit पहना था black color का, and then उसके ऊपर ये mesh cover up लिया था. ये भी Urbanic से ही है, ये भी अलग से linked होगा. But this skirt basically I want to show is so versatile because with the swimsuit it matched those casual vibes. Even if I wanted to wear this on a club or on a night out, then also this went very well with everything. Also because इसका color neutralish है, इसीलिए ये काफी चीजों के साथ match होगा. So I love that. This is what the skirt looks like, and then ये ऐसे wrap होके basically यहाँ पे बंद हो जाता है. So it's a full wrap skirt along with a zip enclosure at the back. And just the way this is cut out ना, ये वाली चीज़, इसकी वजह से the shape looks so good, and it looks so beautiful and so flattering. And no matter what body type you are, because जो lower belly का fat है वो ही हटा देता है because यहाँ पे tie up हो जाता है. So it will look good on you no matter what, and इसका length भी decent है. So I loved this. It's gonna be like a staple in my closet. Okay, let's move on. This is the sunset dress of your dreams. इससे perfect ombre dress नहीं हो सकती थी, इससे perfect sunset colors नहीं हो सकते थे. Halter neck है ये वाली dress. This is what it looks like, and then it just flows. Like look at this, look at how beautiful this looks. Now मेरी body type पे बस ये उतनी flattering नहीं लगी. I'm still gonna keep it, I'm still gonna wear it, but I think if your body type is a little different, it will look different on you. मेरे को बस 12 on 10 नहीं लगी, but it's still a solid 10 on 10 for me. Other than that, what I love is that of course it's flowy, it's breathable and material, guys. मतलब जो भी मैं दिखा रही हूँ, I'm vouching personally for the material, for the quality, because it's tried and tested. Let's have a quick swimsuit break as well, because ये मैंने purchase किया from Urbanic. Now of course, especially for the vacation, I was looking at a bunch of swimsuits वगैरह, and मुझे ये बहुत एक standout अच्छा सा लगा. Like I had all my blacks, but I wanted like a different thing in my swimsuit like collection. So this was a nice electric blue and I loved how it looked. इसमें पूरी ऐसी mesh detailing हो रखी है. पीछे it basically forms a crisscross back and it's just a simple deep blue electric color, like simple but done right, because यहाँ पे भी mesh detailings है and I think it looks so cute. इसका try on नहीं insert करूँगी, but I think you can make out that the shape of this is so flattering. And coming to cute moments, another dress that I picked up, ये basically एक marble print की halter neck ऐसे tie up dress है. मतलब again I don't have much explaining to do, guys, because you can see in the picture how it's so stunning. This was very well priced, under ₹1000. पूरा इस पे मार्बल का टाई एंड डाई प्रिंट है, पीछे पूरा इसका ऐसे हॉल्टर नेक टाई अप है एंड बैक जस्ट फ्लोज डाउन ब्यूटिफुली. सो वेरी कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक एंड किसी के साथ भी लाइक इवन द मटेरियल्स विच आर थिनर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये वाला जो एकदम सॉफ्ट है, थिन है, इतना थिन नहीं है that it's transparent or it's flimsy, nothing of that sort. Trust me, I can personally, I think I'm repeating myself again, but I can vouch for all the quality of all of these products. The next thing that I bought and I loved how it looked is this cord set. So इसका print इतना quirky है, इतना fun है. I don't think कि ये product सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे पे flattering था out of all the items, but इसका print is so vibrant. It has zigzag patterns going on. It has all of these detailings going on. This is the skirt. It has cute little pocket movements going on. Beautiful pencil skirt, and then the top was basically like this long sleeve blazer thing. थोड़ा complicated लग रहा है, but इसमें ऐसे button है and then you also have this tie up in the center so that it gives a nice cutout effect. And I just loved how much fun I had in this look, honestly. Under I just wore my swimsuit and I was good to go in this one. I was ready to party, I was ready for the beach, I was ready to just chill, lounge around. I didn't stop there because I also went in for another pink quad set. So this is slightly different. It's very similar vibes, but ये थोड़ा ऐसे print में है and यहाँ पे पूरी ruching detailing हो रखी है, right? So this is what the top looks like, and the bottom of this one is basically a pair of shorts. So this is what they look like. High waisted है, ruffled है यहाँ पे, and इसके साथ you also have a belt which can be tied up. ये मुझे fitting में सही नहीं आया, which is why इसका try on नहीं होगा, but I think you can definitely go for something like this. And last but not the least, this is the dress which I also carried for the trip. इसको मैंने honestly रात को पहना था to just lounge around, so I don't have videos in this of Bali, but इसको मैंने वापस आके already restyle भी कर लिया है because this reminded me of a nice Indo-ethnic print. So इसको मैंने with silver earrings, full vibes, Indian vibes के साथ, Indo-Western vibes के साथ पूरा look create किया हुआ है already out of this dress. It's so cute, मतलब comfortable है, long sleeved है, अच्छी decent length है. I don't have to worry about anything and I'm still so good to go in this dress. Like I absolutely love it. And with this, guys, this was the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Urbanic haul. Don't forget कि आप लोग coupon code use कर सकते हो मेरा, not only now but throughout on all products to avail very good offers. All the product links of today will be in the description box below, and that's about it. I will see you very soon with my next video. Take care, bye bye, see you guys.